Hey everybody, this is BC Ness from the Cargo Bay. I've got another sneaky pack opening of some Star Wars Galaxy Series 1. I think this pack is going to be a winner. Thank goodness for video editing, because it took me 10 minutes to open this pack. Alright, let's see what we have got here. Lando, on the lookout. Alright. Hand! Run away! Run away! Oh, wait, hold on. There's something behind there. Oh, nice. That's a sketch looking thing there. Very cool vehicle artwork. Love it. Look at him. He's a hero. That's his sister riding on a lizard. And there they all are. Look at those heroes of the rebellion.